my channel, and today I'm going to do the part 2 of my calligraphy basics course or the calligraphy course. If you don't know what is this, I have another video where I've explained everything and the basics. So if you have not checked it out, then I will leave the link in the eye popping up and even in the description, and you can also find it in my calligraphy playlist. So today I said is the part 2, and we are going to be discussing the letters, the fun part. So obviously I can't discuss all the letters one by one, otherwise this video would be hours and hours long. So there's something called ascender, X height and descenders. So I'm going to explain. I know you will be confused, but I'm going to explain about it. I'm going to give a few examples in this table and then tell all the ascenders, X height and descenders. There are also different styles of writing each letter. You will find out while I'll be talking, and also obviously the letters. Now for the materials, I'll be using brush pens, and in the last video that's going to be for calligraphy, I'm going to be teaching with a pen and a pencil. So if you want, you can draw this table for your reference. First, talking about our X height. X height is what comes in the middle portion, like your A, I, C, all of that. Let me show you. Your X heights are your small letters that can be only fit in this area. Now next, coming to the ascenders, those are where you're going up. Show you, these are B, H, D, all of those letters. So as you can see, this line is going upwards and not really in this area. So these letters are called ascenders. I'll give another example. T. Now coming to the descenders, which descend, which this kind of line is downwards. For example, J and F, all of those kind of letters. Of the examples, these descend, these ascend, and these are just the X height. So I hope you got the point, but I'm going to give all of the letters to ascenders, X height and descenders so you can have an idea. And if you're enjoying my video so far, then like, share and subscribe. These are the examples of all of these. Now I'm going to come to different styles of writing each letter. There is a everyone is different in writing, even the letters. I'm going to give a few examples if you need some, and find out which is your style. These are a few examples of what I mean by different styles of writing. As you can see, these all are different. Some are really wavy, some are plain, so it completely depends on you. I like the curved ones and I make those, but yours could be always different. Lastly, I'm just going to like all the letters in the alphabet, so you can get an idea of how to write each of them. And I definitely recommend practicing all the letters so you don't miss out on anyone. So I'm gonna write all the letters. So this is the whole letter that I have written. Now I wanted to tell a few things. If you are thinking that the letters you are making are the same size that I demonstrated here, they are not long enough. These, if you are thinking that this and this is the same size, then practice with this table to you can just practice with this table and see how the height should be, because this also really matters. You can't have an H equal to an O because that will look super weird. So make sure you keep in mind that. And today also I'm not going to go any further. So yes, this was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.